Good evening. I am Sudarshan Sukhani and today is 17th January 2021, Sunday. This is a periodic video show in which we discuss trading techniques for the Nifty and the Nifty Bank for swing traders and intraday traders, and sometimes now discuss market view. Today we are going to discuss market view. Last week was interesting. We had a very sharp decline on Friday, and that sharp decline raised questions on whether there is any change in the uptrend that we have been seeing so far. Today, I'm starting with a different chart. The chart that you see on the screen, this chart, it's the Nifty daily chart. It's not the 30-minute chart, which is our trading chart. We see the daily chart to get a bigger picture. It's very important to have a view, and that view keeps us on the side of the trend. So every day the trend does not change. So every day, even if we don't examine the daily chart, although I do that personally, separately, but even if we don't in the video, it doesn't matter. But periodically we should be looking at the bigger picture, and the daily chart shows us the bigger picture. Let's see what happened here. This is the close on Friday. There was a sharp decline and the market closed lower. Forget about Friday. Look at the left side of the chart. What do you see? A sustained uptrend that started from 10,800 and has gone all the way to 14,600 plus. This is as good as it gets, and it's just in 3.5 months, a little less than 4 months. A very large up move, 35% roughly, 32, 33%. Is there anything that tells you that the trend is not up? No, there's nothing. The market is up. See here, the short moving average had gone flat. Here it had dipped actually, and now again it has gone flat. But on both these occasions, the market only saw a correction and renewed its up move. Here it saw a sideways correction, and here it saw a price correction. Now we don't know what we are going to see here, and we don't know whether this is a correction or some kind of a termination of trend. I can't say. What I can say is, looking at the chart, there is no sign that the trend has terminated. Perhaps those signs will come in the next few days. It is possible. But till that doesn't come, we assume that the trend is up. We just have to be now focused more on intraday charts so that we are not caught with large moves against us. But the trend is up because the daily chart trend has not made any changes. How will we know that the trend is down on the daily chart? Method 1. The short moving average crosses the long moving average on the downside, as it did here, and as it did for a few days here. Now it went up, and that's possible, but it may not go up. That's also possible. So one way is to simply wait for this moving average to come down below the red line, below the longer moving average, and that gives you a systematic way of saying, okay, the trend has now changed. The second price chart method could be, this is a gap. If you see this gap, and this gap was almost filled yesterday on Friday. Now Friday's low becomes some kind of a significant event because it's also the filling of the gap earlier. That is 14,350 approximately. If 14,350 starts getting broken on a closing basis, not on intraday, but if the Nifty closes below 14,350, that will be a sign that we are in some kind of a correction. It's not a change of trend, but at least it tells us that maybe the correction has more leg on the downside. A change of trend will come when a low is made, a lower high is made, and then the market starts coming down. That's going to take a lot of time. Maybe the moving average will cut itself faster than the low and the lower high. We'll see which of the two happens, if at all. They may not, and the trend may remain intact. That's also a strong possibility. So what's the summary of all this talk? The summary is that the trend has not changed on the daily chart. The way it will change is either by a crossing of the moving average. A close below 14,350 will tell us that something has changed, at least in the short term, while a lower high will confirm a trend change. Not till then, we assume that the trend is up. How do we trade tomorrow? Because there was a request that, sir, please do a video today. Tomorrow is a critical day. Let me share my own personal experience with you. Nothing is a critical day. These days will come again and again and again and again, and if you miss them, nothing will happen. If you are on the wrong side of one of these days, nothing will happen. There are thousands of such days. Actually, I think every day is a critical day because you don't know how that day will develop and what it will bring. But there is a request, and I'm happy to say that I would like to meet that request also. Now we go and see the 30-minute chart. 30-minute chart is miserable, isn't it? A lower high was made here, and then the moving average crossed. You can see the sell label. This is the crossing, and the close was here. So on Friday itself, you could get a view, sort of a decline from here to here. I don't think anybody would have come up to here and covered, but you could have actually covered here. That was a reasonable decline and a decent profit. Now Friday, the intraday chart for the Nifty tells us a different story. Again, we all see a chart in different ways, but what I see is this. This is a small shoulder, a head, a large right shoulder and a neckline. If this is valid, then we are looking at a target of somewhere around 14,200, this area, for this decline. Now Monday may see a rally. So far as the rally is below this high, 14,450, 550, we are going to get a lower high. So this is your stop loss. And on a rally, if you see a rally stalling, then you actually want to take a short position on the assumption that this neckline will again be broken and we might see a target of 14,200. If the market crosses this swing high, earlier high of 14,550, then all of this talk is gone. Assume that the trend is up or use intraday techniques to go for it. It was a long video and a little unsatisfactory perhaps because I have not given you a clear trading strategy simply because I don't have any. The trend is up and the market view seems to be that tomorrow may be a choppy day or even a down day, maybe. I would go long only above 550, 14,550, and primarily that is the strategy for tomorrow. But tomorrow's opening range breakout could change this view one way or the other. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day. Jai Hind.